Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to ChowDown 215. I'm Rob.
I'm Elsie.
What's up?
Well, we're here today because we went to our local grocery store and decided to get a fresh grocer hoagie. Those of you who live in Philly, please stop by Fresh Grocers and order a hoagie.
Get the
They're
Fresh
delicious.
Grocers and they're big as shit. Yo, we got the Ruffles flaming hot. I don't think they're gonna be that hot, but look, we're gonna try them out for you guys today.
And
we also got
the Ruffles,
you got
cheddar
different?
and sour cream.
That's what's up.
Yes, I had to get a variety of two.
Doses. And yo, we're gonna try out. This is the first time. This is a Victory. This is a PA brewery. This is an IPA. What's this? DirtWolf double IPA. We gonna get lit. Look at that meat. That's crazy. That is so crazy. You got something to say to me? I'm hungry.
Okay.
Everyone out there who viewed our last video, thank you very much. We do truly appreciate that.
Yes, we do.
Hopefully we're gonna build those subscribers and get more views. We're gonna try to put out more content for you guys. We're gonna try to get to it like once a day. At some point.
Ooh, they wrapped this sucker up so good.
Oh my God, it smells so good, right?
Yes.
This is messy.
It's gonna be messy.
Hell yeah.
So they can see your sandwich.
Thank you. Cheers.
Look at that. Go all that meat.
Ooh, yay!
Cheers.
What do you think? It's hoppy. It's really hoppy.
Yes.
Really good. Mmm.
Look how big that is. We got a turkey, a smoked turkey, and Swiss with lettuce, tomatoes, onions, sweet peppers, hot peppers, oregano, salt, pepper, and
Swiss cheese.
hot red pepper seeds. Yeah, I think I covered it all.
See if you get that around your mouth. Can you get that in your mouth? Damn. Shit, you a pro.
These are the Ruffles Flamin' Hot. Let's give them a try.
They're not even hot.
They have good flavor.
Yeah, flavor. They're not hot though. That was a fro. That's not hot at all.
Yeah, these are. Everyone knows this bag already.
We got more pickles. Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Good.
It's crazy. I usually like really hot food, but these are much better than these right here. Wow. Wow.
We literally got all of this from the grocery store. So moms, if you don't feel like cooking,
Check out
set
Fresh
aside the beer. Check out Fresh Grocer. The hoagies are like $10. And then I think these 2 bags were on sale for like 2 for
2 for $5.
2 for $5, yeah.
It's not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna sleep well tonight. Let me tell you that.
Nice and full.
Not yet, but I'm getting there.
How old were you when you had your first Fresh Grocer hoagie?
Fresh Grocer hoagie or just hoagie in general?
Fresh Grocer hoagie.
I was about 30. 33.
You were about 30?
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually, I had my first. I was with you.
When you moved out here, West Philly?
Yeah. Yep. I was with you. Then I got the first hoagie. The first fresh hoagie, Fresh Grocer hoagie. That is.
Okay.
I was like, wow. I remember I was like 5 or 6 years old, and I lived in Philadelphia, of course, but visiting my grandma's shop. She worked in Chester. She had a beauty salon in Chester, and had a place that was right next door, a couple doors down, and called Toro's, I think. I just get a hoagie with a grape soda. It was good as I don't know what. An Italian hoagie, everything on it, with a grape Welch's soda.
No, right. Growing up, my go-to hoagie was an Italian hoagie.
Mm-hmm.
Because my parents used to get it. An Italian hoagie all the time. Go to store, get an Italian hoagie. So I didn't know what it was to get like a turkey and cheese and stuff. Not until I got like much older.
Mm-hmm.
I guess we had a choice. Not that Italian hoagies aren't good, but
The truth. I like Primo's Italian, the old fashioned, the capicola. That Primo's is the bomb. Actually, we're gonna do a mukbang on that Primo's hoagie.
let us know if you want us to do a mukbang on Primo's hoagies. And sorry, babe. Comment below and let us know whether, let us know what type of hoagies you like. Hoagies, heroes. You know.
In Philly, they call it hoagies. But I guess everywhere else in the United States are called heroes or submarine sandwiches. Hoagie. That's why they call it. It's a hog sandwich, full of meat and cheese. It's the truth. Wow. I get taught from birth. how to actually hold one of these sandwiches so all the meat doesn't slip out to the other side. You have to hold it a certain way. This is called the Hoagie hold right here.
From birth?
From birth.
No.
You're not in Philadelphia unless you know how to hold a hoagie or a cheesesteak. If your stuff comes out the end, failure. You got to move out of Philadelphia. Can't be here no more. You got to move to somewhere like Chicago or somewhere like that.
Hold on, baby.
Yes,
That's our
princess.
daughter.
She's like, wait a second. He's winning the game?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. You got a lot of kids. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Here. Would you like a chip?
Yes. Cook.
Here. Get over there. Your butt already ate.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Of course, we feed them before we do our mukbangs. You people out there, they're eating and their kids are hungry. No, they ate before us.
Or did they?
Don't say that.
I'm going DHS. That was a beautiful child. Wow, I'm a mess over here. I think it's just me. I looked at the last one. Elsie, she stays pretty. She's clean. Nothing around her mouth. Me, I'm like just all over the place. Up, dropping on my lap, in my hands. I go through like 35 napkins. I think it's the lips. It's the lips. I got big ass lips.
Delicious.
It is. I go there hogging the cheese, the cheese Ruffles. Thank you, baby. That's my baby right there.
That's all.
Oh shit. Well, damn. You gonna get some tonight? Mm-hmm. So y'all watch football? Who's your team? Of course, we're Eagle fans here. The kids singing and doing the Eagle chant. It's crazy around here on Sundays. From all my boys down in DC, so sorry. We had a trash all this past weekend. I might beat you just now.
I do like it when the bread gets soggy.
This one is the best. It's full of flavor. Flavor saturates all through everything.
I don't like it when it's too soggy.
Ooh. Thank you, baby. That's number love right there.
You're welcome.
Did you feel me staring at that last piece?
Hmm?
Did you feel me staring at that last piece?
No. Just gave it to you. I know you wouldn't mind when the bread's that soggy.
Mm-mm.
Waste not, want not.
Hell no. Now, as long as I'm around, hell no.
Woo. Excuse me.
So here,
This is
basically,
really good.
It is good. I was like, we've had Golden Monkey.
Mm-hmm.
We have Hop Devil. I was like, we haven't had this one yet. Let's try this one.
I also want to drink.
Okay, get your cup of water. That's kids for y'all. So are you done, babe?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead and have your last bites.
I'll make it fast right here.
Make it sexy for the camera.
Ooh. Is that sexy?
No, it's a little creepy.
Oh shit. We gotta work on that. Wait a minute. This is my side. Wait a minute. How about that?
No, creepy.
That? No? Oh, got it. Cool. We're gonna do that every show. We're gonna do. Finito.
Done.
Well, thanks for joining us.
Finito. We done
You
the
said
cheapo.
finito.
Papacito. That's my mamacito.
Tell them thanks for joining us.
But look, thanks for. Ooh.
You said the chips weren't hot and then they got to you.
I got the back of my throat. Well, look, thanks for joining us. Again, I'm Rob. This is Elsie. We're the ChowDowners.
Yes.
ChowDown 215.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you real soon with the next video.
Hail
Bye.
to the yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.